Because manners is something extremely important. The Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, إِنَّمَا بُعِثْتُ لِأُتَمِّمَ مَكَارِمَ الْأَخْلَاقِ أو كما قال. The Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, I was only sent to perfect good manners. Firstly, there's manners with Allah, which is at-tawheed. Doing shirk is bad manners with Allah. Then there's manners with the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, which is as-sunnah, ittiba' sunnah, and bad manners with the Prophet is bid'ah. And then there's manners with the people. Right? It doesn't matter if you're nice to your friends and your neighbor, but you're doing shirk with Allah. You're a bad mannered person. It doesn't matter if you're lovely to your parents, but you do bid'ah. You've got bad manners with the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. So have good manners. And you may be upon tawheed with Allah and sunnah of the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, but you're still bad mannered. Remember, a woman is gonna go to hell because she was rude, she was bad to a cat. Imagine you're bad to an actual human. Another woman who was a prostitute is going to go to Jannah because she was good to a dog. Don't think violating a human is something small, and don't think being kind to a human is something good. And most importantly, is your family members. First your parents, then your wife. وَالصَّاحِبِ بِالْجَنْبِ. This, some of the scholars mention, is your wife that stands by your side. And your children. كَفَى بِالْمَرْءِ إِثْمًا أَنْ يُضَيِّئَ حَقَّ مَنْ يَعُولَ كَمَا قال. The Prophet ﷺ mentioned, enough of a sin it is for you to forsake the rights of those that you're responsible for. Your children, also your friends. Be good to people.